Just use your brake, honey. Don't do the thing.
I know. Like you do.
Oh, guys, I will tell you, guys. This is where I study. This is right here. This building here. That hello. This is a wedding gown. Mom's wedding gown.
You will behave. Pay attention. Good morning, Philippines.
Happy birthday, Tommy. Happy birthday, Tommy. Moy, moy, moy. No, it's not his birthday. But soon.
Somebody hits it, creates a big problem on the road. You have big pieces of boulders lying on the road.
Drive
all the cars they hit. You see all the ones they piled up there that popped off.
Yeah.
Cars get damaged because you want to be decorative.
Careful, baby. Nagutom ako, guys. Gusto kong kumain. Gusto kong kape.
My idol.
Ha?
The guy who invented radar is my idol.
Why?
Because he invented a radar detector, but there was no use for it. So then he invented radar and went around and sold it to all the cops. It's like,
Water. No. What the heck is this guy doing? No, let's do it.
obviously not much of anything. It's crawling.
What is this guy doing? What the heck? It's a good spot for picture over there, but like umulan, bumagyo, gumuhuma ng mundo, ikaw at ako pa rin. The city of the Bronx. Is this Bronx?
No.
What is this then? Yonkers. La la la.
Because it can't see the angle, it's not seeing him yet.
Just use your brake, honey. Don't do the thing.
I know. Like you do that.
I can see the car. Keep running.
Because it's going
Just
like
look
this.
over there, you don't
when
even
you
know.
curved, when you curved, it's not seeing him anymore. But still, not good.
You know that you're in the city already. Traffic is crazy. It's crazy traffic, guys. You don't know traffic. I remember that's where we always go there to go to shopping. Over there. Jesus Christ. Drove her before, right?
Oh, I think we'll left.
Yeah.
I don't want to be in that traffic.
Oh my God, the traffic. This is what I always remember. Always remember in
Some
this.
of these cars
Wala, wala.
cut in though.
Huh?
Exit the highway.
Some of these guys are trying to cut.
Yeah, that's why you have to pay attention. Stay just here because we're just gonna exit over there. This is the traffic here always. Always.
3/4 of a mile.
Welcome to Pelham, New York. Oh guys, I will tell you guys, this is where I study. This right here, this building here, that building here, this one, the brown one, this one, the light brown. That's where I study my HHA over there. Yeah. And I walk here going home because it's very close to my house, to mom's house over here. Right, honey? Remember that?
Yeah.
That's for a month.
Turn left at the traffic light.
We are home to the Adidas. Ito na kami. Basuri.
I don't have any of these keys. Oh, yes, I do.
May camera dito, guys. Oh. Pag may pumunta dito,
If you have a key, what you have to do?
yari kayo kay Tami, guys. Joke lang. Joke lang, oy. Kayo ka talaga. Kayo gayud ba? Kayo gayud. Hala, Optimobile. Hala, I have a mail already, hon. You don't tell me this. Okay guys, hanap tayo ng makakain kasi nagutom talaga ako. Nabusog ako sa chicken, sa fried chicken, sa Popeyes. Wala palang ano si Tami dito guys, microwave. Yung microwave is broken. Short it out. So, I use the oven. Doon ko nilagay yung chicken sa oven. Nag-init naman, okay naman siya. So, all this of innovation, do you want this return?
Yeah, of course.
Okay guys, yung TV ando na sa sasakyan. Big eyes. Look at guys, this house is nice. Over there, there's stairs going upstairs. The window guys of this house is nice. Over there, the window over there is so nice. It's like a church kind of thing, yung window. Like where you can find a church with like arts and stuff.
Stained glass.
Stained glass. The bathroom also on this window. I think that's the only one have it. This window and the bathroom upstairs.
Window over there.
Over there too. Yeah. Okay guys, we are fighting because of this. He think I have a bad memory. And this is
I don't think you have bad memory. I know you have bad memory.
Yeah. So this one is a USB wire guys. And it's a really...
behind.
USB connector.
HDMI.
No, it's DMI. It's DMI. God, look at that. He's yelling at me.
USB.
He's yelling at
When
me.
you're talking to people, tell them what's right.
Well, I was wrong, okay?
There you go.
Didn't
Guys, you will never hear her say that again, just so you know. Put the plug on. Where's the plug?
It's right here. It's right here.
The power?
The one that you gave me, the black one, it's right here. Hanap tayo ng plastic. This plastic. Okay. Hurry up, B-boy, please. Oh, the anuhan. No, the bed sheets.
Yeah.
Ilagay ko lang ito sa sasakyan para ito sa screen namin kasi gusto ko na to. I can smell the ozone layer, han.
Yeah.
It's so strong. Oh my god. It's gonna kill me, han. Basement. A treasure, hidden treasure. Hello, this is a wedding gown. Mom's wedding gown. So that's it, Han. That's good already because I have pillow for that. I have sheets. I have blankets for it.
Well, let's make sure. Because wasn't the other one a bottom sheet too?
What do you mean?
Like one should have the elastic on it and one shouldn't.
Yeah.
I thought they both have elastic.
So it's elastic.
Oh.
Okay, then you know. Yeah, this is good, Han.
This is a set too. Here.
This one is a set.
This is like a flannel set.
No, I don't like this.
Yeah.
We got a set one.
Got a full set there.
Yeah, the white one. Grabe. Nanonood ako kay Ann Clothes. Grabe, ang tagal ni Tam. My God, magpo 4 o'clock na. May bisita kami 7, plus traffic pa. Hala, ito. Wala, maglaba pa ako. Maglaba pa ako sa mga bedsheet, sa mga tutulugan ng tao. Yung iba, hindi ko pa natutulog. Talaga. Narinig din nyo yan. Ganyan kasi ako guys, kapag may bisita, gusto ko andon, gusto ko naka-ready na lahat. Gusto ko walang problema, gusto ko pagdating nila ready na yung kama nila. Pero itong si Tami, mahilig pa talagang pumunta dito. Okay lang pumunta dito, pero yung parang bilisan natin ba? Kasi darating sila and then wala tayo doon dahil na traffic tayo, dahil na stranded tayo sa ulan. Ulan pa naman. Ang daming gamit nila dito, guys, na sa atin gamit na gamit dito. Sa akala nila wala silang gamit, bili ng bili. Doon pala nakatago lang sa isang sulok. Ang daming towel, ang daming bedsheets. And then ang alam ko wala tayong mga bedsheets. Nung andito pa ako, wala man tayong mga towel. Uy, konti lang towel namin. Meron namang towel, pero parang talaga ba? Pero marami pala silang towel. Nakadampa lang, nakatago sa sulok. Bedsheets, ang dami din. Hanap kami ng hanap. Yung biyanan ko, bili-bili. Ang dami pala. Ginoo ko.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Hi guys, nakalimutan ko ng mag-vlog. Yan, na-traffic kami ni Tami. So, ngayon, almost 6 o'clock na hindi pa kami nakauwi. And, what else? Nag-stop kami sa tindahan kasi ito na naman si Tami. Gusto na naman bumili ng prutas para maitapon. Kasi for sure. But anyway, so, kumuha siya ng chocolate. Gusto niya ng chocolate at saka yung prutas na nakat na. So, kaya yun. Andito kami ngayon. And then, na-drop ko lang siya. And then, pagkatapos niyan, tawagan niya ako para, i-text. Parang Pilipina ito, Huwag na nating Pilipina siya. Pilipina talaga siya. Huwag na nating anuhin kasi baka magalit. Sabihin natin, hoy Mareng, ikaw ba yan Mareng yung doon sa bukirin? Nagligid-ligid. Anyway guys, so yan. Kumakain na ako ng apple guys para mamaya hindi ako magutom. You ate your din. You did? You did.
You will behave when company's here.
Good luck, Tommy.
You will be good. You will not bark at company.
Look at Roxy. She's the one who
You
really...
behave. You will not bark at company. You will not bark. You will not bark at... Listen to me when I... Look at me when I'm talking to you.
Roxy, Dad is talking to you.
Come here. Sit. 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 Sit, both of you. Sit. Sit. Come here. Sit. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit down. Raj, turn around. You will behave. Pay attention. Hit my ass. You will behave when people are here. You will. You will not bark at people.
Good luck.
Company is coming. You will not bark at them. You will behave. You can ask them to pet them. You cannot jump all over them, and you cannot.
Yeah, they won't jump. They will bark.
Cannot bark at them.
You behave, okay? Be a good girl.
You cannot bark at them either. Okay? You will be good when company gets here.
Ganito guys, pag may bisita na palaging late because si Tami is a hard worker. So that's what happened. Only one of these. You want that? What's this? Kaloka guys. Malapit na sila dito. Yung isang bed hindi pa tapos. Ay nako. Daming labahan. Time. What time is it? 10. It's 10:22 na ng gabi. And si Tami umalis. Pinick up niya yung kaibigan ng kapatid niya kasi papunta na daw dito. Well, actually, 11 something yung niya, departure, arrival. And then also, kanina lang bago kumain na kami ng dinner, nag-order si Tami. Oh my God, ang daming in-order ni Tami guys. Yun, nagchika-chika lang kami sa pinsan niya at saka sa asawa niya. So, pumunta sila sa train station para i-pick up yung anak nilang babae. Yan. And naiwan pa yung cellphone niya dito. Anyway, see you on guys. And naka-on pala ito. In-on pala ito ni Tami. Let me unplug it. Hala. Ginoo ko bubuto. Nakalimutan ko tong earbed. Kaya pala may naririnig akong parang ano nga natin to. Oh my God, kaya pala meron. Let's go down, Roxy. Kaya pala, meron akong parang naririnig na ingay na whistle ba? Psss, mubuto yun guys. Na-over ano pala. Uy, grabe. Nakalimutan ko. Nagpa-blow up pala ako ng airbed. Ayan guys. Lagyan natin. Nagmi-melt siya agad. Ang bango. Grabe, ang bango talaga guys. Plus yung hangin papunta dito sa loob. So, dito sila. Nilagyan ko ng towel. And dito sila matutulog. And doon yung anak nila. Na babae. So, yeah. I will see you later. And, yeah, hindi ako makapag-vlog guys. Mag-vlog na lang tayo mamaya sa taas with Tommy. Okay? Tommy will probably busy also doing his video. It's right now. It's downloading. This is where we're going to sleep. Yeah, ang kalat, guys. Maglagay lang ako ng ng bidgets, guys. Pasensya na kayo sa mukha ko, guys. What is it? Dumating na yung isang bisita. Dumating na dito, so. Oh, ko. Sumakit ulo ko sa mga ito. Be nice, no? Be nice, baby. Ay, even ko na itong vlog. Nanonood ako ng TV. I-on nga natin itong guys. Dito. Maganda pa dito matutulog.